Shooting. Moon. Opening.
Test 1. Design Lab. Shooting for a long time with wine glass on the camcorder. With a 25-degree angled lens, the M20 sits perfectly in the natural contour and position of your wrist, maximizing comfort for continuous shooting. Ordinary camcorders are no match for the ergonomic design of the M20. Comfortable grip. Lightweight, efficient design makes one heck of an amazing camcorder grip. Test 2. Record Lab. Recording nature. Let's compare two video clips. First, one taken with the ordinary camcorder. Pretty depressing, yeah? Now here's a clip shot with the M20. You see what we're talking about now? "12-megapixel photo resolution." The M20 snaps high-res photos too. 12-megapixel photos, to be exact. "12 times IntelliZoom." With an 8 times optical zoom and a 12 times IntelliZoom, too far away is never too far away. BSI CMOS. With the M20's BSI CMOS capability, record in high clarity and precision, even in poorly lit places. Test 3. Usability Lab. Expedient editing. For video editing, you need your M20, PC or laptop, and a USB cable. That's it. You're ready for the M20's powerful state-of-the-art editing capabilities. Still figuring out how your ordinary camcorder's gadgets and wires connect to your PC? Wish we could help you. I don't even know what that is. Well, good luck trying to figure it out. .7-inch 230K pixel touch panel LCD. Who knew that a screen could be used for more than viewing? The M20's 2.7-inch touch panel LCD screen lets you control your clip with the touch of your finger. Magic Finger Shot. Touch your finger to the object you want to photograph and let the M20 do the rest. It doesn't get much easier than this. Test 4. Smart Innovation Lab. Slow motion jump. Slow it down. Slow it way down. The M20's high-speed recording function is capable of capturing up to 720 frames per second for extra slow motion. Simply amazing, isn't it? Time-lapse recording in full HD. Turn days into minutes with full HD time-lapse recording in the M20. Face detection recognition. The M20 automatically recognizes faces and optimizes camera settings for you, so you can focus on recording. Battery charging via USB cable. Connect the M20 via USB. Charge the M20 via USB.